This is the correct PPE for the task that is going to be carried out. Of course, you need your hard hat, high visibility jacket, the correct gloves. They are chemical resistant as it's a dusty product. Goggles, in case you only get any splashes from when it's being mixed or when you're pouring it. High visibility trousers, and of course steel toe cap boots. These are the tools adequate for the job. You've got the scoop for your mix. You've got your tamping bar. You do it in layers, and every time you tamp it down, you've got a finishing trowel, and here's your mould, making sure that everything is clamped together with these bolts here and these ones on the side. And inside you put a mould oil so it releases it when it's set. And here is your mix. You can either get it ready made or mix it yourself. Obviously, this is why you need the correct PPE, because when you mix. Going to start by putting the scoop of the mix inside, making sure you get more stone than anything, because that's where the strength is. Going to pour it inside, and on each layer, making sure you get the tamping bar to tamp it down. That's so that we get all the air out of it to make it stronger, and that's where the strength is. So every time he does the tamping, he's going to put another layer on. Again, making sure you get a lot of stone, if not all stone, as that is where the strength is. Repeat the process, tamping it down to make sure there's no air in it. And then another layer to finish it off. And once tampered and everything's in the mould, we finish by taking the excess off with the trowel, adding a little bit more if needed. Simply by making sure it's flush with the top of the mould and finishing the testing cube. And when these moulds are made up, obviously if the weather is below 5 degrees, they should be kept inside as it is the correct way of setting. If it's the summer and it's above 5 degrees, then it's okay to set outside, but in a safe place where nothing can be contaminated with it. Here's a cube that's already been prepared and made and all ready to be set. We're just going to demonstrate on how to take the mould away and what you do next with the cube. This is very important why we put the moulding oil in. It helps the testing cube come out from the mould a lot easier. Making sure all the bolts are removed and taking the mould away.
Audio Jungle.
Next thing you would do when the mould is apart and you've got the testing cube, you'd put it into a pool of water, which helps strengthen it and cure it. So if you'd like to put that in there. Normally you'd leave this in there ready for when it's going to be collected, and on collection, when it's taken out, you put the date, make sure you write the date on it, the date it was pulled, so they know when they can do their first test.